Are you a morning person? Interested ka bang mag-start ng career mo as a freelancer pero mas prefer mo na mag-work sa umaga? At isa ka ba sa mga subscribers natin na nag-request ng mga day shift jobs na pwedeng applyan? Well, this video is for all of you guys. Nakakita ako ng 3 companies na nag-o-offer ng mga day shift schedule jobs. So, pwede kayo guys makapag-work from home on your preferred morning shift. Kung gusto mo malaman kung ano tong 3 companies na sinasabi ko, make sure to stay with me up until the end of this video. Hey everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please consider subscribing. Click mo na yung subscribe button and bell icon below para updated ka sa mga videos natin about legit ways to make money online. Huwag mo rin kalimutan i-like at i-share tong video na to and leave your comments on the comment section. Also guys, kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng mga videos about earning opportunities at home, feel free to visit our homepage. May mga playlist na tayo dyan guys. Organize na lahat ng ating mga videos about making money online. Start na tayo sa topic natin agad for today guys. So i-share ko na sa inyo yung 3 companies na nag-hire ng virtual assistants for day shift job. Kaya morning shift tong mga to guys kasi most of the clients are from Australia or clients from New Zealand. So to start with guys, we have Outsourcing Angels. Ito yung website for the application for Outsourcing Angels. Dito guys, currently nung ginawa ko tong video na to, there are only 3 hiring positions. Merong video editor, general virtual assistant or GVA, at meron ding advanced GVA. Yung magiging schedule mo dito is from 7 AM to 3 PM Manila time. And dito guys, pwede siyang part-time at pwede ring full-time. Para sa application process kay Outsourcing Angels, the first step you need to do is to fill out an online form. After that guys, the next step is the initial screening or the initial interview. Kapag pumasa ka sa initial interview, meron pa silang panel interview. And the last part is client interview. So once you pass all of those steps, the next part is job offer. For the qualifications guys, magdedepende yan of course dun sa trabahong ina-applyan mo. So dun naman sa kanilang online form, sa website nila, nakadisplay naman na yung mga qualifications na hinahanap nila sa isang applicant. Pero for the technical requirements, kailangan mo ng laptop or PC, at least i3 processor and 8GB RAM, at syempre kailangan mo ng stable internet connection. So for internet, the download speed should be at least 20 Mbps, and for the upload speed, at least 5 Mbps. Magre-require din sila dito guys ng backup internet, pero ang mobile data, i-hotspot mo lang yan sa devices mo, pwedeng-pwede na. For the payment guys, it will depend on the role na ina-applyan mo, pero you can get up to 1,000 Australian dollars, which is equivalent to around 38,000 pesos dito sa atin. The payment here is bi-monthly, so twice a month. Ang sahuran nila guys is every 1st and every 15th of the month. Dito, kailangan mo ng Wise account kasi ito yung payment method nila. Pero you can also opt in to be paid through GCash or PayMaya. So, pwede mo yung i-request. At syempre, share ko rin sa inyo ano ba yung mga benefits na makukuha mo pag mag-work ka dito kay Outsourcing Angels. Number 1 benefit here is health card. So, may ino-offer silang health card. Meron din silang mga performance appraisal and different bonus schemes. So, marami silang bonus dyan, guys. Nag-o-offer din sila ng 10 annual leave credits. May mga company trips din dito kay Outsourcing Angels. Syempre, day shift to guys. And ang maganda dito is 6 weekend off. So, moving on to the second company guys, we have Filta. This is the application or careers page ni Filta. Dito guys, sobrang dami nilang available job openings. And yung mga available jobs nila ay from the following niches. So meron sila with development, design, digital marketing, and administration. Ang schedule usually dito kay Filta is from 6 AM to 3 PM Manila time. And most of the available positions dito guys is full-time. Paano ka mag-a-apply dito kay Filta? First step is to fill out an online form. And to fast-track your application guys, kailangan nyo mag-connect to one of their team members from LinkedIn. So, bawat job post dyan ay may nakalagay na link to a LinkedIn profile. So, magre-request lang kayo to connect to that person para mas mapabilis yung process nung application nyo. So, the next part is you will be invited to an interview with Filta team. And dito guys, since sobrang dami at sobrang broad ng mga available job positions, yung mga qualifications and technical requirements would depend on the specific job na ina-applyan mo. So for example, for this one, yan, nakalagay na dyan lahat ng mga requirements, lahat ng mga qualifications na hinahanap nila sa applicant. So kapag meron ka ng lahat ng yan, then feel free to submit your application. The estimated salary for PhilTA job positions is ranging from 20,000 to 90,000 pesos. Of course, depende yan dun sa trabaho na kinukuha mo or ina-applyan mo. And dito guys, yung payment method and payment schedule, hindi siya nakaspecify sa website nila, pero it will be discussed upon hire. So what are the good things ba na mai-share ko about PhilTA? So one of the benefits nila is HMO, so may health card din sila. Dito guys, meron kang makukuhang 20 paid annual leaves. On top of that, meron din silang ino-offer na birthday leave. And on your birthday, may pa-cake pa sila. Ayan. Meron din silang monthly paid company social club. Tapos dito guys, once you're an employee, pwede kang mag-refer ng friends and family mo. And then you get the chance to earn 10,000 pesos for every successful referral. So that's it for PhilTA guys. Now, moving on to the last company, we have Cool Pixels. So, Cool Pixels, ito yung website nila guys for the application page. So, lahat ng link na yan nasa description guys. Dito, meron silang mga hinahire na virtual assistants, telemarketer, accountants, writers, web developers, and a lot of more positions. Ang schedule ay usually nag-start from 7 a.m. onwards, Philippine time. And pwede ka ritong mag-apply for a full-time job or part-time job. For the application, kailangan mong mag-fill out ng online form. And sa online form na yan, magre-require sila na mag-submit ka ng resume. So may format dyan na kailangan mong i-download. Make sure to download it and follow the format dun sa resume template nila. Then after filling out the form and attaching all the necessary documents na hingin nila, you can submit your application and then you need to wait for the next steps. So magno-notify na lang sila through email. Para naman sa mga requirements and qualifications, dito kailangan mo ng home working environment. So kahit na nag-work from home ka, kailangan may working space ka. You need to have good English speaking skills. You should have a fast and reliable internet connection. Tapos kung ma-assign ka sa voice job, syempre kailangan mo ng quiet background. Dito guys, you also need to adhere to specific timelines or schedules. They're looking for someone who is honest and reliable. And of course, you need to have a working computer and a headset. The salary here with Cool Pixels ranges from 38,000 pesos to 45,000 pesos depending on the job that you're applying for. Yung payment method and payment schedule is hindi rin na-disclose sa website nila guys. So, i-discuss yan sa inyo kapag na-hire na kayo. And the good thing about Cool Pixels is that they offer long-term job positions. It's a fixed morning schedule and they offer a high hourly rate. That's it guys. Yan yung mga gusto kong i-share na website sa inyo in today's video. And para sa mga naghahanap ng mga morning shift, yung mga nag-comment sa mga videos natin about day shift jobs, pwede nyo nang itry mag-apply from any of these websites or companies. And I'm wishing you all the best sa pag-a-apply dito sa mga companies na to. And kung wala ka pa ring client, wala ka pa ring side hustle, I hope na yung mga videos ko ay makatulong para makuha mo yung opportunity na hinahanap mo to earn from home and to work from home. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and share this with your friends and family, lalo na kung na-enjoy mo to. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section if you have any questions and suggestions in the future. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, click mo na yung subscribe button below and the bell icon para updated ka sa mga next videos natin about making money online. Bye for now guys, have a great day and God bless everyone.